Thank you guys so much for choosing Anime Lash Artistry for your educational masterclass. This course is my baby. What are anime lashes? About curl selection, like spikes. You separate, because if you lash 1 or 2 layers rather than trying to isolate 5 layers, it's a little bit easier. So this is like a true anime lash map. All right, I'm going to go over the whole application process, the bottom lashes. So how do you tape up the upper lashes? How to get better photos. Your description of your photos. Just trying to perfect it, but this is something that I'm going to keep perfecting. So buy this course, you're going to have lifetime access. So how do you get your certificate?